Last year, it was all about what is AI. This year is really about the how. I'm Vidhya Srinivasan, and I lead the Google Ads product teams.
And I'm Alex Chen. I'm a director at Google's Creative Lab. So I'm going to show you ways that you can play with AI to explore your ideas.
And then I'm going to show you how tech can really help you scale your marketing. Alex, how about we show them?
Sure, thanks, Vidya. At Google, I spend a lot of time playing with our latest AI models, just to explore what kind of new ideas are possible. This is a new tool called GenType that lets you create new kinds of typefaces. You just go to the site and describe your idea. Like here's one I made the other day, made of Jell-O. Our Imagine text-to-image model generates an image for each letter of the alphabet, and then you can start instantly typing with it. Projects like this aren't about what AI can create. They're about what you can create with AI. And that's especially true of this project called Infinite Wonderland. The novel Alice's Adventures in Wonderland features classic illustrations by John Tenniel. But what if artists could visualize this timeless story through their eyes? To find out, we put our Imagine model in the hands of these 4 artists. And together, we created a first-of-its-kind experience. So there are over 1,000 sentences in the book. And as a reader, you can go to this site and select any excerpt from the book, and then pick an artist's style to visualize it. So every reader gets their own unique experience of this novel. But the key thing about this project is artist control. Each of these artists worked with the model hands-on, fine-tuning it to their unique style. And the feeling that I got when I watched these artists was that they were using AI kind of like a new kind of pencil. They weren't creating just one idea, but an infinite universe of ideas. And that's why we need creatives more than ever, to keep asking the questions we've always asked. Which of these ideas do I really love? Or what's something that I'm proud to put into the world? The love that you put into your ideas is the thing that's going to outlast this whole AI wave.
When we apply AI for our billions of users, creators, and businesses, the impact really becomes exponential. But even as we see all of these shifts, the role of advertising, and therefore my team's North Star, remains unchanged. We continue to be a matchmaker. We help people find what they want in this vast world of information. And as they explore, relevant and resonant creative is still what makes you stand out. We believe generative AI will unlock enormous potential here as it enables new levels of scale, speed, and customization. Because today, marketing is really a linear process. In time, the marketing process will turn into an all-at-once efficiency and growth flywheel. Faster creative production, tailored media activation, and real-time measurement. All of it just working together to drive performance. The point is this: no matter how much AI improves, it is not a marketer. It does not have taste. It does not have ingenuity. And that's really what sets you apart today and in the future. But AI will help you explore ideas fast and help you scale them. That's because we can finally bring together creativity and performance. So for marketing, imagine moving away from this one precious visual that you've created to this universe of brand and creative assets, all of which are created by you, but with some help from AI. Your job will evolve, and you have more space for creativity and strategic thinking to build your brand across platforms. It will help you ideate, create, and expand your reach. I hope you come away today seeing that when we build AI responsibly, it's a powerful enabler that expands our possibilities and potential.